Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel. So we're gonna see the index analysis and some of the stock which you can trade on Monday. So you can see here Dow Jones, exactly what we have discussed, that exactly here only taken a supporting area, and after that boom, it's given us very big target. Okay guys, what we have to see is right now is that you can see here, if it will take once again support somewhere here, you can expect your first target will be here guys, second target, your third and fourth target. Okay guys, in downside also we can discuss is that if take resistance of first target, second, third and fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four target in downside. So in NASDAQ also we can discuss is that exactly here only turn around, you can see here guys. So what we have to see is that this will be the one of the major resistance area. This is our first target, second target, third target. Okay guys, in downside also you can see here, this will be our first target, second target and third target. Okay guys, so we're gonna see for daily chart for a Dow Jones. So you can see here our all analysis I have not removed. So you can see here why I have told you from here only, because you can see that this is the long wick has been made. So here buyer are so much dominated, that's why it's taken a supporting area and goes upside. If once again it taken a resistance somewhere here only and came back, then you can expect it will come up till here. Okay guys, so this will be the analysis. So for intraday we have discussed in Dow Jones and NASDAQ also. So we can see in SPX, so how it gonna behave for you. For on Monday you can see that exactly taken support but not sustained, taken resistance, came downside and boom, it gives us upside momentum. So right now what we have to see is that it has to take support somewhere here, otherwise taken support somewhere here. Our first target will be a second target, this will be our third target, fourth target, fifth target. Okay guys, if it open a closely a gap up or something, you can see here this will be act as a supporting area. If this will be broken, you can go for longer too guys. You can have to see that this has to break. Okay guys, after that if it open a gap down or something, you have a clear idea that it will act as a resistance. Then you have to take your first target, second target, third and fourth target. Okay guys, so we gonna see the some of the stocks. Firstly Tesla, I have always told you please don't buy Tesla because it is overbought. That's why I have told you don't buy the Tesla, and you can see it right now how much nicely the retail trader has been trapped somewhere here or here in 900 to 600. Means you have to see that guys, it has very big huge loss you have been seeing in your portfolio. That's why I have told you here only exactly it's turn around. What we have discussed exactly from here only it's turn around, you can see here. So if once again it came downside, then you can expect this will be the area where it once again take a support. Okay guys, I will just draw it for you. Okay, this will be the next area. Okay guys, after that if this will also come and taking support, then we can adjust the level and see it. Okay guys, so in 5 minutes you can see that exactly from here only, from this area only it's turn around right now. So if it has to make a good momentum, so it has to cross this level. Okay guys, if this level has been crossed, then we can expect the upside momentum in a bigger way. What has been, you can see here, if take support or something here, our first target, second target breaks, then you can expect your third and fourth target. Okay guys, if it taken a once again somewhere here only the resistance, okay guys, somewhere here only, you can expect your first target will be here, second target will be here, third target will be here, fourth target. Okay guys, this will be the four target for Tesla in upside and downside. So we can see for Microsoft. Okay guys, in Microsoft also what we have discussed is that we gonna see in daily chart. Okay guys, this is the level. If it has to test it, so it will came up till here. But what happened is that from here only why it's gone, because this will act as a supporting area, but our level is up till here, so let it be. If once again it goes and take resistance, or yeah, tomorrow it will happen that gap down open, then it will definitely test this level and we can see that thing. Okay guys, so we can go for 5 minutes time frame. You can see here guys, right now it is not doing so well in stocks also, because in index sell off is coming. If this will sustain, then our first target will be a second target and third target. Okay guys, it has to sustain from here, this level it has to sustain. If that level is sustained, then you can expect the upper side momentum. If it will take resistance, our first target, second target, third, and you can expect the fourth target. This will be the major supporting areas, so you have to see this level. Okay guys, this is the key point level. Okay guys, in Apple also you can see that it continuously taking resistance. This is also one of the major resistance area. If take resistance somewhere here only, you can expect your first target, second target and third target. Okay guys, we can see here guys, if once again it take a support from here, our first target will be a second target and this will be the our third target. Okay guys, we can also see the Netflix guys. Netflix you can see here guys, just a second. Okay, so you can see here guys, Netflix I have told you and make the dedicated video on this also. You can see here guys, I have told you somewhere here it will turn around, so you have to invest your 20 to 30% here. After here you can see that this will be the looking like a bullish candle, but you have to see that this is the bullish candle but market sentiment is not good. So you have to, what you have to see is right now is, if once again it will take resistance somewhere here only, it will goes on consolidation, after it will break, then you can expect that it will take support somewhere here. Then you can see here your, if it will take support here, you can buy here more and more, because this is the key level where it can turn around its trend and goes upside momentum. Okay guys, if it's once again came downside, then you have a good place. You are here once again taken resistance, here you have a good place to buy once again, because this will be the act as a major supporting areas, because here our sellers are so much dominated. After that it will break, then buyer are so much dominated after this resistance break, so that's why it's given us very big momentum. So you have to see the market sentiment right now guys. Hope you like this video guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel guys. I will make a dedicated video on Netflix once again and the Disney, what happened, what level we have discussed. So thank you guys.